Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my family's favorite sugar cookies. So if you want to learn how I make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin baking. Because we're going to begin by creaming our butter. So just set it on medium speed and allow it to do its thing. Okay, so once the butter is nice and creamy, we're going to add our sugar along with our powdered sugar and salt. Now we're just going to allow our sugar and butter to cream together. Okay, and after about a minute, we're going to add our Mexican vanilla blend along with our egg and just allow the egg to combine with the butter. Okay, once the egg has incorporated, we're going to add our baking powder and allow that to mix in. And now we're just going to add our flour. Once the dough begins to form, here I like to remove it from the mixer. And we're just going to shape our ball of dough. Now we're just going to allow it to rest in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, our dough is ready. So now we can get ready for the fun part. And also at this point, make sure that your oven's preheating at 350 degrees. So now depending on how big you want your cookies, and it depends on how big you're going to grab your ball of dough. So just roll it, and you can keep them plain and just dip them into plain sugar. Just make sure that you keep it in a bowl. Place it in your baking sheet. And we just repeat until we no longer have any dough. And you can get as creative as you want. I like dipping them into sprinkles. And if you have your little ones, they will love to do this too. Okay, and once we have shaped and coated our cookies, we're going to take it to the oven and bake at 350 degrees between 12 to 15 minutes. Alright guys, so after 15 minutes, our cookies are done. So now we're just going to allow them to cool down and then we can get ready for the best part. Alright guys, so after 10 to 15 minutes, we can now get ready to enjoy our delicious sugar cookie. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. These cookies are seriously super easy to make, so delicious. I promise you everyone's going to love and enjoy them. And of course, if you don't want to cover them, with the sprinkles, you can always just leave them plain and simple. Regardless of how you decide to decorate them, I promise you, you're going to be seriously the best. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Just look at that. Cheers and enjoy. So good. They're perfect. The sprinkles though, they do add a little touch, a little crunch. Super soft in the center. And the edges are nice and crunchy. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. I'm having my super easy and delicious sugar cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.